Hi guys and welcome to our second video, and in this video we gonna be make our first project with Arduino Mega, which is the LED blink project. So let's get started. So things which are required for making this project are Arduino cable, Arduino, two jumper wires, LED, breadboard, and laptop or computer, or you can use a mobile phone also for the programming. So first of all, let's do the connections. So here we have our breadboard. We will take it and connect it like this. Here, oh sorry, it's like this. Yep, it's connected. uh, uh, you should remember that the smaller side, this is the smaller one, this is the positive, and this is the bigger side is the negative, as you can see. So let's reconnect it. Then take wires. One will go to the output pin. So here I will connect it to the pin number 23. It's done, 23. Then we need another wire for the GND supply, which is the ground negative. If you wanted to know about Arduino, link is in the description. I have made a video on that also. So yep, it's connected. Now the programming is needed. So let's go to the programming. So this is the official software of Arduino, which is Arduino IDE. So let's do our programming. First we will write void setup, through which we will set up whether our pin is input or output. Pin mode 23 as output, as I have connected to my LED to pin number 23. Then it's done. Then we will write void loop void loop. Then we will write our coding, which is digital write is used for on and off generally, and digital read is used for the input that input tasks. So here we will write 23 high. High means on. I have told in my previous video, you can watch it, link is in description. On that video I have told you I have told you about the Arduino Mega, and also I have unboxed. So we will give an enter, then delay of 1 second. Here 1000 means the 1 second. Then digital write 1000, sorry, digital write 23 as low, which means it will off after 1 second. Then another delay of 1000 second. So we will verify it. So our program having no problems, so we will click on upload. So it is uploading, then the uploading has been done. So let's check the output. So let's show you that whether it's working or not. So we will take this cable and just plug it, and you can see the LED will glow. Here you can see it's started.